Good afternoon. Hope everyone's doing well. See if we can get, there we go. Music and all that jazz working. Everyone had a great weekend. Gonna be doing some Redlines here in just a little bit. Trying to keep ahead of my intern. Alrighty. Alright, welcome back. Let's see if we can drop that down just a little bit. Should probably go back and like watch these streams to see how things perform. Make notes of whether or not you keep the audio at a certain level or not. Let's see here. Let's see. Got this one, and I think nope. So I'm just gonna have to open them up individually. Alright, so we're trying to figure out what we want to do with this house. You can see that the client wants to do this production home layout. And oh man, is it just, it's bothering me so much. Alright, I need to take care of this real quick. Do I have Dropbox set up on this machine? I do not think so. Do I? No. Okay. Let's see, files. Save as. Go. OneDrive. Almost there, almost there. Oh man, I just realized that I've got another thing that I gotta take care of. Jeez. Okay. I think yeah, I think that's it. That was interesting. Oh. Makes sense. Okay, so here's where we are. They want to kind of merge everything here a little bit. And I want to keep it separated. And part of the issue is that, so they want to do like a dining room. They want to put their dining down here. Or a round tower kind of deal, right? Like that. But they don't have any. Then they want to put the guest bedroom here to kind of put everything in. And that would create kind of like a it would create maybe we could do like a hallway right here, but I wouldn't want this wall to share with the family room, right? And it also gets rid of the opportunity for, they want a staircase, they want a grand staircase, but there's nowhere. Why is my battery running low? Maybe I should plug this thing in. It is getting a little warm up here. Magnetic stylus. Who'd ever thunk that computers and magnets would work together one day? Get rid of this stuff. Okay, I've got the half bath for guests. Closets in each office. I think I still need that, so I'm gonna figure out how to grow. This is all gonna have to grow. This part right here is gonna have to get bigger. I'm going to open a new, actually nothing is open on this, so let's do a new. Okay. Alright. Dynamo dimension between, what is it? Dynamo dimension element. There we go. Okay, so that's a new node in rhythm. Gotcha. Alright. So the deal is, oh, you know what? I never made my let's see, this. Alright. I wonder if I can install 2019 while I am running 2018. Oh. What's up, John? How's it going? Am I gonna have 2 Scandinavians watching today? Turn it down just a little bit. Let's make sure this is... It gave me a warning like it was doing something, but apparently it's not. Alright, so let's do... I'm just gonna make sure that this works here. So I'm just gonna do... some dimensions here. Oh man. So I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make some of these inline and some of them not. So I want to make a new type. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to call this inline. Let's not do that right now. Alright, so those are going to be called inline. So now what I can do is I can select all of that type, and you can see that some of them didn't get selected here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to launch Dynamo. And I'm going to do a new graph, and we're going to put the select items, select elements. think then it's this guy right here. Nope. Select model element. These two different things. It does nothing selected. Does that mean oh, it's doing its thing where it's not actually connected to the model here. Let's close this and open it back up. That helps. And I don't know, Dynamo not connecting to model. I don't know why we're listening to a snow song, although it is like 30 degrees outside. Why? Oh, there we go. That's not good. Let me do it this way. Ooh. Okay. So if we do it this way, where we have to select things like this, then we miss, like we have to go through and we have to, we can only do like one selection at a time. So if we want to do it by type, then we do this. I think select elements, we should be able to do elements of type. I've done this before. Element types. Dimension type. Let's get a watch in here and see. No, that's not. How do we do this? Okay, let's do a watch here. What I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to get, okay, so dimension type, this type right here, 787972, and this is a ID, by the way, so I can come in here and select with IDs and type in 787972, and I have technically at this point selected the type. I haven't selected any dimensions, I've selected the actual type of dimension here. So what I want to do now is I need to I wonder if this works. Nope. Element type. Type select. What we want to do is we want to select everything by a type. Select rule type. Select all elements of family type. There we go. Family type. So let's just do this. that work? Nope. I'm going to open up a recent one that I did because I think I have this somewhere else. Yeah, it is getting messy. We gotta figure out, because here's the thing. Okay, let's just do this real quick. Okay, so here's what we're trying to do. So there's a node called dimension in rhythm. Dimension text position. What was that? Where was that post? There it is. It is called dimension center text online. So there should be dimension center text online. There it is. Right, that's what we're looking for. So if we do this, and we're just gonna boom, just like that. If we use the select tool and then we do this, okay. Oh wow, look at that. That did not do what we want to do at all, did it? Can we edit this? Cannot. Oh man. Do you have to use a certain... Alright, what did it do? So it's trying to move everything by a certain dimension. And I think part of the problem is that okay, let's go look at rhythm. Revit elements dimension center text online. I'm just not doing it. Center text online demo center text online, not centering text. Yeah, I feel like Dynamo rhythm package. I wonder if I can open that and see. File open. Nope. So let's go to, where are the packages saved? Data Dynamo maybe? 0.3 definitions. Samples, gallery, where is this at? Oh yeah, so Schreiber. Okay, so let me start over. So what you need to do is if you have Dynamo open, okay, you need to go to Packages and then search for package. And this will take a minute. It'll say syncing for syncing with server for a while you do the first sync. And when it finally gives you a list up here, you're going to type in rhythm, and then the first one should be a Dynamo package, and it'll say something like built against Dynamo 1.3.2 and Revit 2017 plus, and it'll be by John P. And you just click the install latest version button there. Some other ones that you're going to want to install. So rhythm, so packages to install rhythm, lunchbox, RT lab. What else do I have? Manage packages. These are the ones that you're gonna want. Clockwork. Clockwork's another good one. And these are gonna give you typical nodes that you're gonna use quite a bit. There's another one that has B in it. Bumblebee, which is for Dynamo and Excel interoperability. So install those packages and let me know when you've got those packages installed. And I'm going to see if I can find out why. For some reason this is not working. So I'm going to do a new project from the architectural template, and we're going to see if maybe it's our template that's doing this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I'm going to put in center text online. We're going to do select. Select model elements. Right. Drop that in there, and then I'm going to hit. Oh, I have to. If you make a new project, you're going to have to reopen Dynamo because it only connects to the project that is open when you start Dynamo. So if you start Dynamo while you're in one project and then you switch projects, you're going to have to reopen a new session of Dynamo. So be sure you keep that in mind. So new, select elements. There we go. And center. Online. Text online. Go. And let's do select. Okay, so something in, I guess, I have 2017. I don't have 2017 installed. Something about this is not working. Let's see. Does anyone else have rhythm installed? You could test the node for me real quick. I do have Discord running as well. In fact, I'll give you a invite to the Autodesk. Oops. Discord. So for some reason this is just not working. Just straight up not working. And what I'm looking for is to see if I can find the DYF file. See if maybe I can edit that and see what's going on with that. So let's see if we can find what? I bet it's under. Nope. Dynamo core 1.3 extensions. Nope. Try under Revit 1.3 18. Nope. Okay. Where does Dynamo install packages to? To? Program data. Program data. See, I don't think that's it either. Definitions? Nope. Add-ins, moving in. This is not what I'm looking for. Okay, app data roaming. Dynamo Revit 1.3 packages. Here we go. Rhythm. EYF. I don't think I'm going to be able to open those. Let's find out. I'll open. No. UIN. UIFs. Here's center. Dimension.center. Text position maybe? I feel like I'm missing something here. Dimension.origin. Properties. Text. Overrid. Alright, let's try dimension text position. Oh, come on. I'm not there. We go. Okay. Okay, you've got all the packages installed, so now we're looking to see if I'm looking to see. I think this is how he gets the text position. Append. No, this is how he's actually moving it. So let's see. Center text on mention. Yeah, I want to see this definition right here, because I think I come here under rhythm. Revit elements dimension, because I think text position is this right here. So how do I edit this? How do I edit it? That's what I need to figure out. He's doing something right here. How do I edit a custom node? Dynamo. That's not quite what we're looking for. We're looking for how to edit a custom node. Because here's the thing. Rhythm definition extra maybe? Or bin. So where is this? Where is this? We're looking for this thing called center text online, because we need to edit this because it's not doing it quite right. And I think what we can do here, let's do this. Let's do this. Get rid of that, and then we're gonna go watch on here, and we're gonna see. So we're not getting a text position. That's what I have open right now. And this is the Python to get information. And this is basically it right here. Item.text. Okay, but we want to see what this is doing right here. Which means figuring out where does this reside? String. I don't see anything. I don't see anything that indicates I don't even see the word center in any of this. Nope, it's not in there. So how is this done right here? That's what I don't understand. So these are functions. This is something else. Functions. And I don't know. That's kind of funny. text offset. I don't think that's going to do anything. Oh, what if we do 1 inch? Getting close. 0.9 inches. Oh man. I think there's some kind of disconnect here with between the parameter and how it's working in Revit. So, oh good. Nope, in terms of oh, like what I just did. So you got it working then, huh? Well, if you got it working, I'm gonna stop messing around with it. I don't know why my Revit's decided it doesn't want to do it. Do I want format? Do I want MEP fabrication? I probably don't need that on this machine, but I'll take it anyway. Then, sure, we'll do those two. Go for it. Oh. Alright, so I can't install while it's doing this. That's fine. Okay, well, I'm glad you got it working. It's semi-working. Select the type instead. Okay, so we can go through that real quick. So if you want to do it by select type, let me open this other graph that I recently had. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do right here. We're gonna do, let me do this. Take this new graph. Go. So now we should have all the elements of the type that we select. So if I do this, we're gonna do it by type, right? So let's do this one, this one, this one. We'll do 3 of those. We'll call it duplicate inline. Okay. And then just to make sure, center line. Okay. And then so what you do is just select one of the ones that you want. Inline. There we go. Let's see. Let's put a watch in there because I feel like that didn't work. Dimension type. Yes, we got that dimension. Type. For some reason, this is not all elements of family. Why did that not work? This should give me gets the family type of again now. Yeah, that's fine. 3507114 should give us the dimension style inline. Okay. Family type. all elements of type. Name. It's type name, by name, select model, text type. All elements of type. Does that work? Oh, that's not what I meant. I'm gonna find a version of element type that takes argument of type dimension type. Oh. Okay, so we need to take the element, get the element type, get type. Okay, let's try this. Family instance, get type. Just no property called get type on Revit elements. Why can't? Is this only working on dimensions? Might have to stop soon here. We could leave soon as Courtney gets back. Could meet around 3:30. Let me know if that works. Okay, so what we're trying to figure out now is we're trying to convert this type, this selection, into a type name. And it looks like the way of doing that has changed a little bit. So I'm looking at some previous graphs which I know I've done before, and I'm looking to see if instance subcomponents, all subcomponents, element name, I don't think I did types on this one. Alright, well, here we go. Revit Dynamo. Select all instances of type. Let's see. All elements of category. Elements, parameter name, line style. Alright, let's see if that works. So let's go categories. Okay. Categories. Is dimension one of them? Dimensions. There we go. Dimensions. Okay. And then what was it? It was all elements of category. All elements. All elements Get elements category, category name, all elements category. I remember doing this before, so there we go. Boom, and we can get a watch. Get a watch in there. And all a watch does is it gives you a list of all the elements in here. So you can go in here and you can select these right here, and it'll show you those elements. I don't know if it'll let you select them. Ooh, what does that do? Right, so we got 5 dimensions there. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's right. All right, so what we want to do now is we want to take those elements and we want to only select the ones that are of type inline. Okay, so let's look and see here. Get parameter value by name. And here's the thing, is I don't know that the type is a parameter value. Get parameters. Get family parameter. I don't know what that does. I don't think that's it. Alright, I might have to take this real quick. Good afternoon, David. Yep, I can hear you. How's it going? Yeah. You still there? David, you still there? Let's see if that works. And let's get another watch. Oh. Hey, we got some dimension types there. Good afternoon. Are you there? Yep. And I heard you start to say ask if we can meet a little bit before 4. Okay. Well, if you really want to do it this afternoon, that's fine. I'd have to check with Courtney to see if she can stay late today. So let me check and see. She should be back in a few minutes here. Yeah, so we typically close the office around 5, and I need to make sure that she doesn't have anything planned this afternoon. So that's all it is. She'd probably be more than happy to do it. I just want to make sure that I'm not imposing on something that she's already got planned. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, no, that's fine. So I just need to make sure that she doesn't have something planned that she needs to be at. So let me check with her in a minute here, and then I'll send you a text back as soon as possible. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see you. Hopefully, we'll see you this afternoon. All right. Bye. Okay, so I might be leaving here in about 10-15 minutes, do a quick site visit. All right, so we were able to get the dimension types, which is interesting. Select by ID 16. That's interesting. So it's this one that we want to get right here. We want to get the 350714. type. I wonder if I can do type name. It doesn't give us anything, so just type. Type gives us that. Okay, so we have the ID numbers for the types. Let's see, what's next? Oh, I see. So if we come to this, well, hold on a second. Let's keep this for now. But then let's do element. What is it? Element to string. See, here's the thing: is it shows graphic style 71 here. So element name. That's what we're looking for. Element name. Room name. Get the name of the element. There we go. And there we go. Alright. We're getting there. We're getting somewhere. We might not even need this right here. Right? Because it could be that now that we have this, we just do select type. Select name. Get family parameter. Select by type. Element types. All element. Select rule type. Select render type. All elements of type. Here we go. Okay, let's see what happens when we do this. Element. We do this. Oh my goodness. I don't understand. See, now I'm thinking, see, so Schreiber was saying that it was working for him, and now I'm wondering if it's just not working for me. All elements of type. Why is this not working? View family types. Select the view family. Select parameter type. All elements of family type. I think that's what I just have. Nope. Try this one. Oh man. All elements of family type plus all family types of category. All elements of family type. Oh man. So it looks like name by name, family. Yeah, family friend. I don't understand what I'm missing here. So this is. Yeah. So to play a script, yeah, I probably should have landed this. Oh my lord. So down here you have automatic and manual. If you set it to manual, you just hit run and it does it. If you have it on automatic, it's going to constantly be running. So be sure that you're either not in a thing. Yeah. So you're still trying to get it to select all of the instances by type, right? So I can get it to I don't understand. Select instances of type. Let's see. Why are we not finding this? I know I've done this before. Dynamo select all instances of type. Why did Revit Forum change their Alright. They changed their style. I don't understand. I guess they had to get rid of the colors because Autodesk was threatening to sue them. Probably something like that. Let's see. All types. All elements of family type. All elements of family type. See, and the problem is we don't want a family type. That can't be right. Clockworks. All element of family type. Clockwork. All elements of family type. The issue with this is that, alright, dimension type. Oh man. We can do that. Alright, we can get wall types right there. Can we do this? So we need a oh my lord. It just doesn't want to work. Why is this so difficult? It is on automatic, right? Manual run. This always seems to be an issue. I don't want to get rid of that. And I know I've done this before. I don't know why I'm not able to get this right now. Unless it's just that my computer doesn't want to do this, because we had this issue where this select types model element. Do this. We've got an element here. Let's connect this to here. Select. Yeah, so I've got that type now. So we have the family, we have the type. We have the type right here. Get parameter value by name. And this gives us an error every time we put something into it. Get all elements of the active document of any given type. So I think that this is just wrong. Alright, well, this has been fun, but I'm going to have to head out here in a little bit. So I'll see if I can work on that and have something back to you. But in the meantime, have a great evening. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe even later this evening, so who knows. But yep. We'll figure the rest of that out. So have a great one. And we'll talk to you later.